In this video, I want to show you how to install and set up Claude AI app on your Android phone. First, you have to simply open up the Google Play Store. Here you can simply search Claude. And at the top you notice that I have accessed this Claude by Anthropic. So this is an official app Claude. You can simply tap on install, and here you notice that I'm going to install the Claude on my Android phone. So this is the great AI application you can easily install and download from the Google Play Store. So as you notice that I have successfully installed the Claude app. Now I want to just open it. So you can easily sign in with your Google account, or you can create a separate account for the Claude app. So right now I want to just tap on continue with Google, because this is an official app. You can easily connect your Google account. So here you notice that it displayed the information, and now here you can simply tap on confirm that I am 18 years of age. Then tap on continue, but you can simply write something like hi. Now if you tap on continue, so here you notice that you need to simply tap on acknowledge and continue. I understanding. And here you notice that I have successfully set up the Claude app on my Android phone. So in this way you can easily install the Claude app on your Android phone. So if you want to get more latest videos regarding this app, you can simply subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will explore more videos about this app. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching.